Why does AMSOIL cost 2 to 3 times more than the oil sitting right next to it on the shelf? Is it actually worth the premium, or are you just paying for fancy marketing and a brand name? I've been asking that question for over 10 years in the shop, and I've spent a long time digging into the costs. What I found surprised me because some of it is genuinely justified, and some of it is just their business model. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what you're paying for and whether it matters for your engine. If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. It's shocking that 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving thousands from the information in these videos. Subscribing costs nothing but helps me bring you content dealers don't want you to see. Let's break it down. First, let's put real numbers on the table. AMSOIL Signature Series typically runs $12 to $14 per quart. Mobil 1 is $8 to $10. Castrol EDGE is $7 to $9. Valvoline Advanced is about $6 to $8. For a 5-quart oil change, AMSOIL costs you $60 to $70. A comparable Mobil 1 change costs $40 to $50. Valvoline or Castrol, about $30 to $40. That's a real difference. What exactly are you getting for that extra money? Let's start with the most fundamental reason, the base oil. Most shelf oils use Group 3 base oils. Group 3 is refined petroleum processed through hydrocracking, using high pressure and heat to strip out impurities. It can legally be called synthetic in the US, but it's still derived from petroleum with some limitations. AMSOIL uses Group 4 PAO-based stocks. These molecules aren't refined, they're synthesized in a lab from ethylene. The process creates oil molecules that are perfectly uniform in size and structure. Every molecule is essentially identical. That uniformity translates into predictable performance, better resistance to oxidation, and better thermal stability. Group 4 PAOs are more expensive to produce. That cost is passed to you, but you're getting superior chemistry. AMSOIL also incorporates Group V esters. These compounds have a natural affinity for metal surfaces. They cling to engine components. When the engine shuts off, ester molecules stay bonded rather than draining down. This provides protection before the oil starts circulating on startup, when most engine wear occurs. Group V esters are expensive to produce. Now let's talk about additive packages, where significant cost comes from. The additive package gives the oil its characteristics: detergents, anti-wear agents, antioxidants, and corrosion inhibitors. AMSOIL uses high-concentration additives for extended drain service. Their TBN starts around 12 for Signature Series. TBN measures the ability to neutralize combustion acids. Higher TBN means handling more contamination before exhaustion. Competing oils start at TBN 7 to 10. AMSOIL deliberately uses more chemistry to support longer drain intervals. The anti-wear package is also more robust. AMSOIL uses higher concentrations of ZDDP to protect surfaces. This matters in high-stress situations: turbo engines, towing, and high RPM driving. Oxidation turns oil into sludge. AMSOIL's antioxidant system is designed to resist this for significantly longer. They use a dual antioxidant approach, phenolic and aminic, which is more expensive but provides better protection. Let's talk about research and development. AMSOIL spends heavily on formulation research and testing facilities. They run engines for thousands of hours under controlled conditions to verify performance before bringing products to market. Every oil they sell has been subjected to extensive testing to confirm it actually does what they claim. Finally, the quality control aspect. AMSOIL manufactures to tighter tolerances, and every batch is tested before leaving. They test for viscosity, TBN, flashpoint, and other parameters to ensure you get exactly what you paid for. Batch-to-batch consistency is extremely high. You buy AMSOIL today, and you buy it 6 months from now, and the performance is essentially identical. With some mass-market oils, you see more variation between batches because they're manufactured at multiple facilities with different quality control standards. Tighter quality control costs more to maintain. Now let's talk about distribution, because this is a real cost driver that's different from the oil business. Most major oil brands, Mobil 1, Castrol, Valvoline, Pennzoil, are distributed through mass retail. They sell to Walmart, AutoZone, and quick lube chains by the truckload. Those high-volume sales spread fixed costs across millions of gallons, which brings the per-quart price down. The trade-off is that they have to hit a price point that mass retailers accept, which means formulation compromises. AMSOIL doesn't sell through mass retail. Their primary distribution is through independent dealers and direct-to-consumer sales online. That model costs more per unit. There's no Walmart buying 500,000 cases at a discount. But it also means AMSOIL doesn't have to compromise their formulation to hit a retail price point. They can charge what their product actually costs to produce and distribute. The premium you pay partly reflects that distribution model. The dealer network is also part of what you're paying for. AMSOIL has a structure of independent dealers who earn commissions on sales. That commission structure creates a network of knowledgeable advocates who can help customers understand which products they need. AMSOIL stands behind their extended drain claims with documented warranty protection for engine failures attributable to oil performance. Most oil companies don't offer anything close to that level of product guarantee. That confidence in the product is part of what you're paying for. Now let's get to the real question. Is the price difference actually worth it? The honest answer is that it depends entirely on how you use your vehicle. If you're doing normal driving, commuting, and changing oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, the real-world performance difference is small. Both oils will protect your engine adequately at that interval. Both will get you to 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. In this scenario, you're essentially overpaying for performance you're not exploiting. You're not using the extended drain capability. But if you're running extended drain intervals, 10,000 to 15,000 miles or more, the price difference starts making economic sense. Over 60,000 miles, changing AMSOIL every 12,000 miles means 5 oil changes. Changing Valvoline every 5,000 miles means 12 oil changes. The per-change cost is higher with AMSOIL, but the total cost over 60,000 miles can actually be lower, especially with filter costs and labor. If you're running a turbocharged engine, towing regularly, or driving in extreme temperatures, AMSOIL's base oil delivers measurable advantages. The thermal stability protects turbo bearings better. The better cold flow characteristics reduce wear on cold starts. The higher TBN handles the acids generated by severe duty longer. In these applications, you're actually using the performance you're paying for. I've torn down engines running AMSOIL at 200,000 miles. The AMSOIL engines consistently show cleaner valve trains and less varnish. That's not just marketing. It's what I've seen with my own eyes over 20 years. The chemistry translates into real engine condition differences. You're paying for superior Group 4 PAO base oil that genuinely outperforms Group 3 bases in thermal stability and oxidation resistance. You're paying for a high-concentration additive package with higher TBN, better anti-wear protection, and superior antioxidant chemistry. And you're paying for a distribution model that prioritizes product quality over mass-market price points. AMSOIL costs more because it genuinely costs more to make. The base oil is more expensive. The additives are more concentrated. Whether that price difference is worth it comes down to one question. Are you actually using the performance you're paying for? If you're extending intervals or pushing your engine hard, yes, AMSOIL is worth every penny. If not, a quality conventional synthetic will do. Drop a comment with your vehicle and your habits. I'll tell you honestly whether AMSOIL is worth it. Thanks for watching.